Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'm going to show you guys how to make my express tiramisu. I love making large batches of tiramisus for gatherings and parties, but sometimes I just want to have tiramisu by myself and this recipe comes in handy. It's really simple and really quick. There's no whisking of egg yolks over double boiler, which is great. So anyway, to get things started right, beat softened cream cheese in a bowl until it's well spread out. Then, scatter in caster sugar and whip until it is nicely combined. Meanwhile, microwave gelatin powder and water for about 20 seconds. Next, drizzle in chilled heavy whipping cream into the cream cheese mixture and whip until the mixture is thickened. Flavor it with some rum and vanilla extract. Continue beating until the mixture thickens back, leaving a ripple effect when it's being mixed. Stir in the gelatin mixture when it's cool. Continue beating for another minute to ensure it is well distributed. Then, put it into the fridge for an hour. The mixture will be a bit runny once you add the gelatin, but do not worry. Once the cream has been well chilled, whip it on high speed until it thickens back, leaving a ripple effect when it's being mixed. To assemble, soak ladyfinger biscuits into coffee until saturated, and then arrange them neatly into a rectangular pan. Then pour half of the cream mixture into the pan. Arrange the rest of the soaked ladyfinger biscuits neatly. Then drizzle the rest of the cream over. Cover with a lid and let it chill overnight to firm everything up together. Upon serving, dust cocoa powder. So this is how I make my express tiramisu. It's really easy and quick to make. The only drawback is that you have to let it set in the fridge overnight, but it's really simple, right? Anyway, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy. For all the printable recipes, be sure to check out www.thezonghan.com. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!